cell division, it's a mode of cell division are of three types: amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. And each case division of the nucleus called karyokinesis, and the division of cytoplasm is cytokinesis. Most important term of karyokinesis and cytokinesis for examination purpose. The in amitosis, the A means without, amitos means without thread, and osis means state. Amitosis was first discovered by Remak in 1841 in the red blood cells of chick embryo, and later described by Fleming in 1882. Amitosis is very simple. It occurs without the formation of a spindle and appearance of chromosomes. The nuclear envelope remains intact. Amitosis is often called direct division. The nucleus of a cell elongated and develops a constriction round its middle. The constriction gradually deepens and finally cuts the nucleus into two daughter nuclei. A similar constriction appears in the cytoplasm within the two daughter nuclei and divides the parent cell into two daughter cells, each with a nucleus. The daughter cells receive approximately equal amount of nuclear and cytoplasmic materials. Example of amitosis is rarely, probably because it is not an exact method of cell division. It takes place in certain specialized cells, such as those in the mammalian cartilage, in the growing embryonic membrane of some vertebrates, in the degenerating cells of higher plants, in the decreased tissues, and in the old tissues. The macronucleus is ciliate, such as paramecium, divides by amitosis. Some authors regarded bacterial cell division as amitosis because no spindle is formed. A study of mitosis in plant cells. The plant cells, the mitotic phases in plant cell: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. In interphase, first phase, interphase, the cells in interphase have large nucleus with distinct nuclear membrane and nucleolus. This is because in this stage the cell is preparing itself for cell division and the duplication of DNA takes place. RNA and protein are synthesized, hence the cell becomes double in size of parent cell. पेरेंट सेल से इंटरफेज सेल में इंटरफेज स्टेज में सेल पेरेंटल सेल से डबल जेनेटिक मटेरियल कलेक्ट करता है, रेस्टिंग पीरियड में होता है और रेडी हो जाता है फॉर आगे के डिवीज़न के लिए, प्रिपेयर हो जाता है आगे के सेल डिवीज़न के लिए। तो सारे मटेरियल्स यहाँ पे डुप्लीकेट हो जाते हैं एंड न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल इज सीन एज अ क्रोमेटिन फाइबर्स, नॉट अ क्रोमोसोम्स, नॉट एज अ क्रोमोसोम। क्रोमोसोम जैसा नहीं दिखता, यहाँ पे क्रोमेटिन फाइबर्स होते हैं, मेश लाइक कंडेंस, एंड द इंटरफेज चेंज इनटू द प्रोफेज स्टेज, and in prophase chromatin fiber begins to condense into chromosomes and two chromatids becomes distinct by late prophase. स्टार्टिंग प्रोफेज स्टेज में ये क्रोमेटिन फाइबर्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्रोमोसोम्स एंड एट लास्ट प्रोफेज स्टेज तक वो डेंस फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस लाइक अ क्रोमोसोम्स बन जाते हैं. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस बिगेन टू डिसअपियर. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डिसअपियर हो जाती है, न्यूक्लियोलस भी डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं एंड ग्रेजुअली डिसअपियर बाय द लेट प्रोफेज. ये जो है धीरे धीरे लेट प्रोफेज स्टेज तक जाते जाते डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट फेज मेटाफेज. इन मेटाफेज स्टेज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस डिसअपियर कंप्लीटली. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियोलस टोटली डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं. क्रोमोसोम्स बिकम थिक ड्यू टू further condensation of chromatin materials. This makes chromatids prominent and clearly visible. Chromosomes are arranged themselves linearly on the spindle equator. Spindle fibers arise from the spindle poles and get attached to the attached to the centromere of the chromosomes. Centromere is a circular center part of the chromosomes. And the anaphase stage, the centromeres divide and the two chromatids of the chromosomes get separated from each other. Chromosomes से दो chromatids separate हो जाते हैं. The spindle fibers from both the poles shorten and pull the chromatids, also called chromosomes. जो chromatids हैं वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो करके पुल खिंच जाते हैं, मीन्स एक फोर्स डेवलप हो जाता है और ये दोनों स्पिंडल पोल्स दोनों पोल की तरफ चले जाते हैं. एंटी पोल्स अपर एंड लोअर साइड में. द क्रोमेटिड्स रीच द स्पिंडल पोल्स एंड बिहेव लाइक independent chromosomes. Thus the number of chromosomes remain same in the two daughter cells. In the late anaphase, cell plate begins to appear in the center of the cytoplasm. In animal cell, the cell membrane start disappearing from opposite side towards the center. ये एक स्पेशल फीचर है जो केवल प्लांट सेल में होता है और एनिमल सेल में जो है ये अपोजिट साइड से सेंटर की तरफ फरो का फॉर्मेशन होता है, जबकि प्लांट सेल में एक मेम्ब्रेन सेल प्लेट का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है सेंटर में. सेल प्लेट डेवलप इन प्लांट सेल एंड देन फॉर्म टीलोफेज stage. The chromosomes at spindle poles uncoil and form chromatin fibers. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. जो डिसअपियर हो गए थे स्टार्टिंग में वो टीलोफेज स्टेज में रीअपियर हो जाते हैं. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स डिसअपियर हो जाता है, जिस पर हैंगिंग होती है क्रोमोसोम्स की वो डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं थ्रेड्स. इन द सेंटर ऑफ द प्लांट सेल अ सेल प्लेट इज फॉर्म्ड विच डिवाइड द सेल into two daughter cells which look like mother cell. As a one daughter cell, diploid daughter cell formed होती है, one mother cell, diploid mother cell से two daughter cell का फॉर्मेशन होता है और वो दोनों daughter cell diploid होते हैं in mitotic division. After telophase, cytokinesis occurs, that is division of cytoplasm, which results in the formation of two daughter cells. Cytokinesis is part of interphase, not mitosis. That's it. Mitosis in animal cells. In animal cells, slightly different between animal cell and plant cell. In animal cell, first interphase stage, the cell has large nucleus, double the size of the parent cell, nuclear membrane and nucleolus, and the chromatin material duplicate and appears as chromatin fibers. A pair of centrioles duplicate at the spindle poles, means all materials of the nucleus is duplicate at this time period or a phase, in a phase. And the second prophase, the chromatin fibers began to condense into chromosomes with two chromatids held at centromeres. One centrioles pair start moving towards opposite spindle poles. Centrioles present in animal cells. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear, जैसे प्लांट सेल में होता है, by the end of the prophase. And the second phase, metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes get most condensed and distinct chromatids become visible. Chromosomes get arranged linearly in spindle equators. Spindle fibers arises from the centrioles at the spindle poles and get attached to the centromeres of the chromosomes. Means in metaphase the equatorial plate पर क्रोमोसोम्स अरेंज हो जाते हैं. मेन फैक्टर इसमें मेटाफेज का यही है. इन एनाफेज द सेंट्रोमियर्स ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम्स डिवाइड्स and the two sister chromatids get separated from each other. The spindle fibers attached to the sister chromatids contract and pull the sister chromatids to the opposite poles in V shape or L shape, J shape or I shaped structure. It's a means in anaphase stage the chromatids divides and placed on the different poles. And next phase is telophase. The chromosomes uncoil at spindle poles and from chromatin fibers. Spindle fiber disappears. Nuclear membranes and nucleolus disappear. A constriction appear from the spindle equator towards the center of the cell to divide the cell into two daughter cells. The two daughter cells are formed as a result of cytokinesis, which is a part of interphase, not a mitosis. Understand?